This is EVE's 50PL, a high-rate 5 ampere-hour 21700 NMC cylindrical cell. Rated at 3.6 volts, each cell stores 18 watt-hours. Maximum charging reaches 12 amps within the specified temperature range. Under specified conditions, maximum discharge reaches 70 amps. About 21 millimeters wide, 70 millimeters tall, and under 68 grams. The clean flap terminal supports consistent welding. The 21700 format balances capacity and size for compact high-power battery packs. After 400 high-rate cycles, capacity remains at least 60%. LYTH supports cell matching, pack development, and bulk supply. Luoyang Tianhuan, powering a greener, smarter future.